How do you do, crypto lovers? This is David from Mars Signal Team, and I'm here to analyze BTCUSDT in a 4-hour time frame. First of all, we want to talk about our last analysis on April 16th. Actually, we predicted a fall to happen. You see that the price had a falling trend up to this amount. And in our, let's say, analysis on April 16th in our VIP channel on Telegram, we actually mentioned that due to the existence of the MACD and the indicator, there is the high possibility of a decline. And we see that this has happened now, and our prediction came true. At the moment, we see that these areas are forming our chart. Let's see that on the top we have R3 area. This is our long-term resistance line. R2 is another resistance line, as you see, and R1 used to be a support area in the past. S1 used to be a resistance area, and finally at the bottom we have S2, which is a long-term support line. So let's start from here. As we see, the price was supported at different points, and by the last support it had a rise to reach upward, but by having a kind of neutral fluctuation over here, it could break our let's say previous resistance line upward, and by having a rise toward R3, it was rejected at some points. So after being rejected, again, we formed another resistance line, which is R2, and you see that by touching at 2 points, the last rejection had a noticeable decline below R1, and now we see that the price is fluctuating below this area. So our expectation would be another rise for the price to reach R2. And the point is that the last time, or let's say the highest point of the price was nearly 31,000, and it couldn't move higher than that. So we expect again the price would have a rising trend toward higher amounts. But we believe, according to the market situation, again there would be another decline for the price toward lower amounts. So one of our scenarios would be this kind of decline. So after reaching R2, the price would be rejected, and we will have a more decline for the price toward our first or even more, let's say, second support areas. Our second scenario would include a more rise for the price over R2. So in case the price is able to move and break R2 upward, and by giving more fixation, it is able to move toward higher amounts, even higher than its previous high, over 31,000. And it is very important to consider the price, let's say, pullback. It is possible that again the price would have a pullback toward R2, and in the return of the price, this is let's say logical to put your orders. So let's wait for a proper time in order to put your orders, and we hope you are having higher profits and better, let's say, trades. In case you are looking for daily piece of information and also daily pieces of news, we recommend you our free Telegram channel, and also we have our YouTube channel. You can subscribe and have other information. Goodbye.